Hello everyone. Start off by taking a yellow circular sheet of paper, then take a somewhat oval or brown sheet of paper, stick it to the bottom of the circular sheet of paper. Then take a green sheet of paper, cut it out in the shape of a leaf, add multiple vertical lines to it. Then take a green big ball of clay, stick it to the middle of one of them, add white paint to one of the corners. Now in the side of your sheet, draw on what looks like branches and then add many lines to it. Add leaves to each of these lines. Next, take a brown circular sheet of paper or a beige circular sheet of paper, then add leaves at the bottom. Then, taking white or yellow marker, draw this particular maze-like shape out of it. Take small balls of clay as such and then stick it in each of them, make it increase in size as you proceed. Take a yellow circular small sheet of paper and then cut it into half to make a semicircle. Do this with multiple colors, stick them all around a brown circular sheet of paper. Now once you are done with this, take little brown balls of clay and then add it to the bottom of each of them. Then take a marker and add dots to each of them in polka dots. Add grass to the base of each of them. Next, take some fruit foam net and then make a slit through it. Curve all of the edges as such and then stick them on a brown circular sheet of paper. After you are done with this, stick about 4 of them, take a green marker and then add leaves to the top to make it look like a pineapple. Then stick eyes and a cute little expression to it and then taking a marker, draw on some hands and legs. Do this for all of them. Next, start off by taking a yellow circular sheet of paper, take a blue rectangular sheet of paper and then fold it over multiple times horizontally to make a very thin strip. Then open up the fold slightly and fold it into half. Take multiple of these in different colors and then stick them on your sheet of paper and then add handles to each of them using a marker. Add little water droplets all around. Next, take an ovular shape out of brown paper and then stick it on a light green sheet of paper. Then add ears to the side as well as a little blushy portion and then add eyes and a cute little expression. Now taking cotton, make little circular shapes out of it, make the body and then make a sheep out of it by sticking the cotton all around. Next, start off by taking a blue circular sheet of paper, add grass to the bottom using some white or green sheets of paper. Then after this, taking 2 sponges of paint, make a circular shape one on top of the other, add a cute little expression, add ears to it, and then add a little bow tie. Next, take a green marker and then taking a yellow or brownish sheet of paper, make these lines onto it. Make leaves all around them as well, then take a circular sheet of paper and then stick it one on top of the other. Then in the front add a circular sheet of paper, add a beak to it. Add clouds all around, make multiple birds. Thank you for watching.